how to shorten your time, how to be more effective or more productive, what to revise and when to revise. I have a single line answer for you. I will tell you that how to do this practically with a limited amount of time in your hand. 10 minutes for every day is better than studying for 8 hours for one day in 1 week. You don't have to revise those large hefty short notes. Are you watching reels? Please don't do that. What to revise and when to revise. If you are asking this, then there are plenty of videos in YouTube. You can go and search them. But if you are still asking this, I have a single line answer for you. You have to revise all the subjects throughout the year. And now don't come to beat me, because I will tell you that how to do this practically with a limited amount of time in your hand. Because if you have 24/7, then you can go for that traditional preparation of GATE. But if you are like me, who was not having a large amount of time during his GATE preparation, then please stay tuned. So let us directly jump into the first point. The first point is use your test series and PIQs properly. Now, you will again jump up and say that, okay, the same thing he is repeating again and again. Yes, this is that much powerful point. And I am sure that after telling about this for this much, still many of you are not using this. So go and take your test series, jot down your mistakes in a copy, and same for the PIQs also. When you are solving PIQs, jot down the concepts which you are tending to forget. Now, this thing will actually shorten your efforts and time. How? See, we are seeing practice as a different thing and revising as a different thing. But see, practicing same thing day by day, another day, again and again, this is revising. So, practice with a mindset like that I am doing this PIQ, I am solving this test series, then the mistakes that I am making, the formula that I am tending to forget, those I have to jot down in a copy. I have to see that copy only. See, for example, if you are if you are a student from any branch, you have engineering maths in common. So you have, maybe take any example, maybe complex analysis. So complex analysis is a vast chapter, but maybe Cauchy residual theorem is the particular theorem that you are tending to forget. So you now have two options. You just revise the total complex analysis chapter for one day. Okay. But the second option is you revise that one single concept, Cauchy residual theorem, for every day. Because the other concept, you are saying that if the question is coming from other concepts, then you are able to crack that question. But from this single concept, you are not able to crack that question. So my friend, you need to revise that concept only and not the whole complex analysis. That is a waste of time. Not a waste of time, but if you don't have that much time, then this is the most practical approach. Jot down your mistakes, and test series and PIQs will tell you that, beta, see, these are the concepts, these are the formulas that you tend to forget always. So that mistake copy will contain all those concepts that you really need to revise. So this will shorten your revision time, shorten your preparation time, like anything. Okay, you don't have to revise those large hefty short notes. Okay. The second point is that use your micro intervals. Now, this is maybe a new term for you, but if you have already seen that how to make your own preparation strategy, own unique preparation strategy, then you must have listened to this term from me only. See, we have a notion that I will be studying anything, be it short notes, be it attempting a series, test series, attempting any question, or studying anything very deeply. Whatever I have to study, I will study only when I am on my desk. Please break this notion. So I am not telling you that don't enjoy your life. If you are a college-going student, then see, you want to spend some time with your girlfriend, maybe with your friends, or with anyone. you want to hang out with them, that is totally fine. Hang out with them for maybe 1 hour, maybe even for 2 hours. But maybe you are traveling in metro. Then in that time instant, for those 30 minutes, what are you doing? Are you watching reels? Please don't do that. Hack your brain to do the right thing for only those 30 minutes. You take out that copy with full of the notes and the concepts and the formulae which you always tend to forget. Pick up that copy and just see through the copy for those 30 minutes in metro. Obviously, if you can at least stand comfortably in the metro, if the metro is not that much crowded. Okay. Now, how can you hack your brain? I am not telling you that you have to do it totally by your willpower, because I know that is not always possible. But for that, I have made a separate video that how can you maintain that much consistency? How can you trick your brain? So please go down to that video and you will come to know that which are the tricks backed by science which will help you to hack your brain so that you can use those 30 minutes in the metro or those 1 hour between your class intervals in your college or any time span like that, in which you are alone, you don't have your friends with you. So please use that time and revise those short notes. Maybe also you can download some lectures and see that. But if you are like that, okay, metro is that much crowded, I don't have that much concentration that I can learn something new. Okay, that is fine. So you are studying thermodynamics, you have already studied thermodynamics. Then my point is revise that in metro. Okay, revise then in metro the short notes only. You have the concept, but you need to recall the formula in GATE. So just see through the formula. I am not telling you to mug up like this, E minus TLS. No, just see through the formula. And if you see a same thing for days and days and days, it will automatically be embedded in your brain. Okay. Now, the last and the final trick. See, you can have two options. I have told this before also, that studying 10 minutes for every day is better than studying for 8 hours for one day in 1 week. Likewise, if you are following this thing that today I will revise the whole thermodynamics, tomorrow fluid mechanics, after that TOM, after that engineering mathematics, that is only fine. You can go with that. That is a totally good approach. But only that will work only if you are that much disciplined, if you have that much confidence in you, that for 7 days in a week, I will not miss a single day. Because see, if you are revising thermodynamics today and in the next week, if you are not revising thermodynamics on the same day, then you have missed revising thermodynamics for 14 days. So only if you have that much time and you can assure that, okay, in this day, I can give 1 hour or 2 hours only to revise thermodynamics, then you will be revising thermodynamics for every week, and that is totally fine. But in my case, I couldn't assure that because I was having classes, maybe this class test, maybe this lab test. So if maybe I have jotted down that I have to revise engineering maths on this Tuesday, whole engineering maths. Now, revising whole engineering maths is not a joke. It will take at least 1 hour if I am that much brilliant student. I am not that much brilliant student. Okay, I have to see the things. So, but I cannot assure that 1 hour that I have scheduled for engineering maths, will that be vacant or not? There can be a class test that can be scheduled by my teacher on that particular hour. So, what is the solution? See, you don't have to revise the whole thermodynamics for a particular day. You solve 10 problems. Those 10 problems you have to solve from 10 subjects. One problem from thermo, one problem from FM, one problem from engineering maths, one problem from SOM, one problem from TM, like that. If you have time to solve 20 problems, then 2 problems from thermo, 2 problems for fluid mechanics every day. Likewise, so this is a very powerful approach, and by this approach, you are revising thermodynamics every day. And if you are solving one problem from thermodynamics every day, So maybe you are having 18 concepts. So in 7 days, you are solving 7 concepts. In 18 days, you are doing the whole thermodynamics revision. Okay, that is really fine. You are in touch with all the subjects like this. Now you are maybe having 13 subjects. Okay, solve maybe 15 problems, and those 15 problems will be from 5 chapters. That is fine. Solve 5 chapters today, solve 5 chapters tomorrow. So these were the most powerful 3 techniques. See, this channel is not about when and what. Because believe me, if you are searching that, there are plenty of channels. Like coaching channels and all, they will tell you that beta, abhi bas 5 mahine baki hai, study this. I am not here to tell you something that is already available in YouTube. I am telling you something which no one is telling. Okay, that is how to shorten your time, how to be more effective or more productive, how to do the gate preparation, still enjoying your life. Okay, so this was the video. I will summarize again. The first trick was use your test series and PIQ solvings very much wisely. Second trick was use your micro time intervals. Third trick was don't study like one subject per day, but study all subjects per day. You don't have to study the whole subject, but a short part of the subject. Now, all these things will work if you are determined that, okay, this guy is telling something. This guy has cracked AIR 31. So let me maintain this for at least 1 month or maybe at least for 15 days. So promise me, keep a hand on your heart and promise me for next 7 days, I will try these techniques diligently, religiously. Okay, you do it only for 7 days. After that, you tell me that how is your confidence level. Okay, so these are the tricks. Those will make you unique from others, and you will need to be unique from others to get some unique results. Like most of the people are going for coaching. Now, if you are someone who cannot go for coaching, I am there to help you. There is a whole playlist about you should not or you should join coaching. And also, if you are already determined about not joining coaching, then the free materials for mechanical engineering are here. Okay, so go to that. That will help you a lot. I will meet you in those videos. Until that, goodbye, take care, and thank you.